Question: have you ever wondered if you can manage your finances on the go with a sleek and user-friendly app? Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple and exploring its iOS compatibility. Is it the perfect financial companion for your iPhone? Let's find out. Hook. Imagine having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, capable of helping you invest, save, and plan for your future. That's the promise of Wealthsimple, and in this video, we'll uncover whether it delivers on iOS. Building context. What is Wealthsimple? A Canadian fintech company that offers a range of investment and savings products. Known for its simplicity and accessibility. Why iOS compatibility matters. iPhones are highly popular and widely used. A well-designed iOS app can significantly enhance user experience. Is Wealthsimple on iOS? Yes, Wealthsimple has a dedicated iOS app. Key features. Investment portfolio. Track and manage your investments in real time. Automated investing. Set up automatic contributions to your investment portfolio. Tax loss harvesting. Optimize your tax efficiency. Fractional shares. Invest in small portions of stocks and ETFs. Retirement planning. Estimate your retirement savings needs and create a personalized plan. Savings accounts. Open high-interest savings accounts. User experience. Intuitive interface, easy to navigate and understand, even for beginners. Real-time updates. Stay informed about market movements and the performance of your investments. Security features. Robust security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Customer support. Responsive and helpful customer support team. Comparison with other iOS finance apps. Robinhood. Similar features but may have a more speculative focus. Acorns. Micro-investing app with a focus on rounding up purchases. Wealthfront offers a broader range of financial products, including tax optimization and estate planning. Pros and cons of Wealthsimple on iOS. Pros. User-friendly interface. Affordable fees. Variety of investment options. Strong security features. Cons. Limited customization options. May not be suitable for advanced investors. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to invest and save, Wealthsimple's iOS app could be a great option. Conclusion. Wealthsimple is indeed available on iOS and offers a compelling user experience. Whether it's the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Give it a try and see if it fits your financial goals. Call to action. Download the Wealthsimple app from the App Store. Explore its features and start investing today. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.